Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins. 1 0-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable drain tray design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cups set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluck offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Digital kitchen scale. Contemporary slim design. Made of stainless steel material, it is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. Multiple unit conversion setting. You can easily switch to any unit that you need. It can show units in the following: G/kg/lb/us/ml/milk ml. Yes. It includes milk volume measurement. Low energy consumption with included battery. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power. Plus it has an auto shut-off feature. Backlit display. Easy to see and read panel. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. After-sales support and trusted customer support team assist you with any questions that might arise about your kitchen scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from beginning to end. Ice cream scoop. Effortless hard ice cream scooping. No more bending spoons or waiting for ice cream to thaw. This heated ice cream scoop warms up quickly to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you glide through even rock-solid ice cream straight from the freezer. Just grip the handle to activate heating, no buttons required. It continues warming for 40 seconds after use, making every scoop smooth and simple. Perfect for ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt. Easy for anyone to use. Designed to help those with limited hand strength. Seniors, children, or people with limited grip can scoop ice cream effortlessly with this electric scooper. It reduces strain on wrists and hands, so everyone in the family can serve themselves a sweet treat with ease. Adult supervision recommended for kids under 12. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cooked foods. This smart cooking thermometer takes away the guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Unlimited wireless freedom. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Cooking presets. Get help setting optimal cooking times for various foods with choices for meat, cut, and doneness right on the Chef IQ app, or choose from hundreds of delicious recipes. Protect your protein. Ultra-thin design keeps proteins intact and juices inside for perfectly cooked meat every time. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker as well as app notifications to ensure you don't miss a thing. Food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use, these containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy-duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing, the 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Precision cooker. Anchor Chef immersion circulator features dust and water-resistant components and includes a minimum and maximum water level protection system, making it ideal for extended cooking times. It boasts a durable 1400 W heater and a 25-liter per minute water flow, designed for long-lasting performance with its robust metal construction and stainless steel body. Elevating precision cooking, the elegant touch display allows for easy adjustment of time and temperature settings. From vacuum sealing to freezing, sous vide cooking, blast chilling, and smoke infusing, Anchor Chef Circulator is your ultimate kitchen partner for preserving seasonal produce or creating restaurant-quality meals at home. Anchor Chef Sous Vide's dimensions are 12-inch tall and 5.5 diameter, weighs 4.4 pounds. Pressure cooker. White heavy checkmark, healthy and safe material. The DeLuban stainless steel pressure cooker is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance to ensure that no harmful substances are released or react with your food. Preserve the flavor of food in the healthiest way, so you can experience its true, original taste. Aluminum products may release harmful substances during high-temperature cooking. White heavy checkmark, advanced safety design. DeLuban induction pressure cookers feature innovative automatic pressure-limiting valves, self-locking valves, safety valves, and safety windows. The automatic pressure-limiting valve keeps the pressure at optimal levels during cooking. When sufficient pressure builds inside the cooker, the central rod of the self-locking valve rises, and once the pressure is released, the rod lowers, allowing the lid to be opened. If the internal pressure exceeds the safety limit, the safety window automatically releases the pressure.